You might be looking for a place to go for Vesak in Colombo, for a place to learn Dhamma in English, for your kids to learn Dhamma in English. There's a place at Jayewardene Center, conducted by the monks of Mahamevnawa Buddhist Monastery. Both breakfast and lunch will be provided. There'll be 2 Dhamma sermons, 2 meditation sessions, and 2 separate programs, 2 programs in 2 separate halls. So, what you should do is share this message. So everything is organized for you, and these programs are conducted in air-conditioned halls. There are comfortable cushions placed and kept for you all to sit in a comfortable posture to learn Dhamma. For the ones who can't sit on the floor or in the cushions, there are chairs placed for you all. So for this upcoming Vesak full moon Poya day, do not miss this great opportunity. When everybody is prepared for a great program, why don't you too come for Vesak program and learn the Buddha's great realization, learn the Buddha's great wisdom and apply it to your life, because we are living with so much weaknesses. We have so many weaknesses in our lives. There are a lot to be corrected in our life. There are a lot of mistakes that should be corrected. We are addicted to many things. We are bonded to many things. We are cheated in many ways. We are deluded. We misunderstand things. We don't understand things properly. So if we are leading a life like this with so much negative things in life, this Vesak full moon Poya day program will change your life, will be a blessing for your life. You will at least think that I should change the way I'm living. I should change the way I'm thinking. You will at least think about the way you are living and how you should develop by taking the Buddha as a teacher and by taking the Buddha's teachings as a guidance for your life, and drive your life with the way that Buddha has taught, in a way you can live in peace and in harmony. Therefore, when there's a way to live happily, don't suffer. And when there's a great program ready for you all on a special day like Vesak full moon Poya day, please join us. The devotees in Colombo, this program is for you all, for your children, and may you join for this program and make these programs beautiful and more powerful with your participation. Let us all of us get together and celebrate Vesak in a very meaningful way at Jayewardene Center on May 30th. Namo Buddhaya, 𝐾𝐚𝐭𝐞.